سبحان الله سبحان الله حمدا لله حمدا لله سبحان الله سبحان الله حمدا لله حمدا لله.
If you have a physical heart problem, who do you turn to? A physician, of course, heart doctor. But if you have a spiritual heart problem, you are stressed, depressed, and distressed, who do you turn to for counseling? Social worker? Citizen Advice Bureau? Definitely not. You need the real doctor, the doctor of the heart, the counseling of the Prophet. Join me in the Prophet Counseling, a new set of episodes, only on Peace TV.
Get the perfect solution for all your spiritual and worldly worries in the light of the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him in the Prophet's Counseling.
سبحان الله حمدا لله.